In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tesla-style landing page in Weebly using ChatGPT. We're going to keep this process simple, practical, and easy to follow. The goal is to create a landing page that feels sleek, modern, and persuasive, with strong copy and a clean visual layout. You do not need to write everything from scratch because ChatGPT will help generate the main content, and then you'll place that content into Weebly and style it so it looks polished. Start by opening ChatGPT and asking it to create landing page copy for a Tesla style page. Be specific about what you want so the output is more useful. Ask for a headline, a subheadline, key benefits, product features, and a clear call to action. This gives you the core messaging structure you need for the page. The headline should grab attention immediately. The subheadline should support the main idea. The benefits should explain why the product matters. The features should describe what it offers, and the call to action should tell the visitor exactly what to do next. Once you have that copy, open your Weebly website editor. From there, create a new landing page. This gives you a fresh space to build a focused page without unnecessary distractions. A landing page works best when it has one clear purpose, so keeping it separate from other pages can help improve clarity and conversion. Now begin adding the sections generated by ChatGPT to the page. Place the headline near the top where it will be seen first. Add the subheadline directly underneath so it supports the message right away. Then include the benefits and features in a way that feels organized and easy to scan. Finally, add the call to action in a prominent location so visitors know what step to take next. After the text is in place, add images, buttons, and product information. Choose visuals that match the sleek, premium feel of a Tesla-style page. Your buttons should stand out clearly without looking too aggressive, and your product details should be concise and relevant. Make sure every visual element supports the message rather than distracting from it. Finally, adjust the design so the page looks clean and professional. Pay attention to spacing, alignment, font choices, and section order. A modern landing page usually works best with plenty of white space and a simple color palette. The cleaner the page looks, the easier it is for visitors to focus on the message and take action. That's the full process for building a Tesla-style landing page in Weebly with the help of ChatGPT.